Hey guys, so this is me presentation for class CE430. Prepared a little Google slide presentation just to tell you more about myself. I know it's supposed to be about 2 minutes, so I'll move through this pretty quick. So this is me. My name is Eric Thomas. I'm going to kind of go through and tell you where I'm from, where I'm currently working, my previous education, and as well as my current education, future plans. And then some of my hobbies and interests. So where I'm from, I'm born and raised in Abbeville, Alabama. You can see on the right hand side, kind of shows you where Marshall County is, and this is where Abbeville is if you're not familiar. Here's a picture of our downtown area. This shop right here is actually, if you're not, like I said, if you're not familiar with Abbeville, we have a big Hispanic population. One of the great things about that is we have awesome Mexican restaurants. And this place right here is actually a place called King Pollo, and it is probably my favorite restaurant in town. If you're ever in the area and like Mexican food, go by and check that out. Where I currently work, unfortunately, it is not NASCAR. I'm actually working for a company called Fastenal, and we sell industrial supplies to all the plants and production places around, construction crews, any of that. Been doing that in Marshall County for about 6 years now. I've also worked in the Birmingham area and the Fort Payne area with Fastenal. My education and future plans, I actually graduated Abbeville High School and went to Auburn University. I was pursuing a degree in kinesiology. Unfortunately, I left about my senior year, and kind of personal things happened. Life happened, and never went back. So one of my goals was to go back and finish my degree. That's where I'm at now. I'm at Athens State University, and I'm actually pursuing my degree in instructional design. Should be graduating at the end of this semester. What are my plans to do with it? Hope to explore the job market, possibly corporate training, corporate instructor, may go into teaching in some form of secondary or post-secondary education. I'm also looking at going the master's degree and trying to gain my master's in instructional design. Some of my hobbies and interests, of course, love spending time with family and friends. Big sports fan. I love football, baseball, golfing. War Eagle, go Braves. I also enjoy fantasy sports. I've been in a league with some college friends for probably 10 years now in both sports. Another side interest is I like technology, anything as far as car radios to computers, any kind of mobile devices. I love tinkering with them, playing around, seeing what kind of modifications I can do and learning about those. So yeah, that's a little about myself. Thanks for listening.